Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 15 Pro, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the option Additional Settings. Then let's scroll and find the option Accounts and Sync. And here tap on Add Account. Choose Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's completely up to you. And here in this section we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And tap on Next. And be patient because it might take a while. So right here we have to enter the password. And after that, simply tap on Next. So here we've got the verification. However, as you can see, it is only in case if you've got more than one device added to the specific account, so just ignore it. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and then tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, we can tap on them to learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. So here we can decide what kind of data we would like to backup and whether we would like to use the backup. If you wish, you can use it. I will tap on Don't Backup. We've got a separate video about the backup if you wish. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account in this device. If you want to, you can also remove it quite quickly. So in the same situation, in the same section, go to Additional Settings, scroll, and find Accounts and Sync, obviously. And here we've got our Google account, so just tap on it. Here tap on More, and tap on Remove Account. Then tap on Remove Account again, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. If you've got the screen lock, any kind of screen lock, your device will ask you to enter to confirm the whole step, but that's normal. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.